Friends, today let's solve questions related to data communications and computer networks in 2018 AP ECET question paper in ECE branch. So coming to the first question, which of the following topologies require a multi-point connection? So basically multi-point connection is used in bus topology because all the devices are connected to a single transmission medium which will be acting as the backbone of the connection. So this links all the devices in the network, and here each node has a unique address. So bus network will be having this particular thing. So I want to show you how exactly this looks. So this PDF which I have created is available in the link present in the description. So I was telling about bus topology. If you observe, this is the backbone of the network. All the computers are connected to this particular backbone. Okay. So in OSI model, which layer lies in between transport layer and application layer? So if you remember the layers, you will have physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. So here the question is transport layer and application layer. In between you will be having session and presentation layer. So this is not the answer, this is not the answer, you will be having only session layer. So try to remember this. So physical layer will be having bits, data link layer will be having frames, network will be layer will be having packets, transport layer will be having segments, session layer will, and all these three, the format of information in the form of data. Next, which address uniquely identifies a host on the internet? So basically IP address is a unique address that defines a device on internet or a local network. In essence, you can say IP addresses are identifiers that allow information to be sent on a between the devices on a network, and they contain location information and makes the devices accessible for communication. So IP address is that particular unique address. So IEEE 802, generally this series. Now here he is asking what is token ring. So 802.11 is basically for wireless networks, and 802.5 is for token ring LAN, and 802.3 is for Ethernet LAN. So you will also have CSMA CD collision detection here, and 802.1 is for inter networking. So try to remember these values, they will be asked in the exam frequently. So I can show you a picture which will be having all the particular standards and purposes. So most frequently you will be asked about wireless networks, which is Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity, and sometimes they are even asking token ring and Ethernet. So LLC is also asked sometimes. So try to remember this. So this PDF is accessible in the link provided in the description. So GPRS is an extension of which system? It is an extension of GSM system. So GPRS is General Packet Radio Services, and it allows packet data to be sent and received across a mobile GSM network, and GPRS can be considered as an extension for this GSM network to provide 3G services. So remember, GPRS full form is General Packet Radio Service. Okay. So the most fundamental difference between GSM and GPRS is GSM is a circuit switching network and GPRS is a packet switching system. Okay, so generally GSM is used to SMS to transmit data on a real-time online process. Next, the switching technique used in ATM, this is generally done by virtual circuit. So virtual circuit switching, it means transporting data over packet switched network in such a way that it appears through as though there is a dedicated physical link between the source and the destination which end. And next, VC is synonymous to virtual connection. So which of the following language is used for creating web pages? HTML, also called hypertext markup language, is a code that is used to structure web pages and its content. So for example, content must be structured within set of paragraphs and list of bullet points, or you use images or data tables. So the answer is HTML. So it is used for web pages. Next, which of the following is standardized as IEEE 1364? Basically, it is Verilog standard and it is a hardware description language which is used for modern electronic systems. So it is used to design and verification of digital circuits at register transfer level of abstraction. So which simulates the algorithms that are used within embedded systems? So algorithm level simulation simulates the algorithm which is used within the embedded system. So if it is algorithm, you have to remember that algorithmic level simulates the algorithm. Okay. Next, so which consists of a central conductor and a shield? So if you remember your coaxial cable, it will be having an outer jacket, and then you have a braided shield, and then you have a foil shield, and in that you will be having a conductor. So in central you have a conductor and a shield. Simply remember it is coaxial cable. So I will show you how exactly it looks. So this is how it looks. You will have an outer jacket, braided shield, foil shield, center conductor and dielectric for a coaxial cable. So the next question. So Verilog has versions 3.0, 3. So Verilog versions are called System Verilog for these two versions. So this is currently out of syllabus. Next, Verilog HTL originated at Gateway Design Automation in 1983. So this is your answer. Next, for what location are the first computer instruction available on boot up? So ROM has BIOS, basic input output system, and this BIOS is in PC stored in ROM chip. So early PCs used a ROM BIOS, but PCs today have flash memory BIOS because it can be updated in place. So in order to update a ROM BIOS, the computer case had to be opened and the ROM chip has to be located and replaced. Nevertheless, a BIOS is stored in ROM. So which is our answer? So next, hard disk is divided into tracks, which is further subdivided into. So I will show you a pictorial representation for this for better understanding. So see this. So you will be having tracks and then sectors and clusters. So you have, if you observe, the minor segment is sector, which is a single line. Then A complete circle is called a track, whereas a portion of the circle is called cluster. Try to remember the keywords: hard drive structure, tracks, sector. So the simplest is sector, and then you will be having cluster, and then you will be having tracks. So SCT is your code word. So with this, the questions related to ESET in 2019-18 question paper related to data communications and computer networks are completed.